Now here is the proof from my vlog channel. This has 19k views, this has 16k views, this has 10k views, this has 2+ views, like 2k views, over 2k views, this has over 1k view, this has over 1k view, and many more. Like you guys read by that title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to post your short videos so that you can get views like this. If you know you're interested, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications on, because I'll be dropping these gems for you guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Chomilight, and I'm the face behind this channel, and the sole purpose of opening this channel is to teach young creators like you and I grow fast on this YouTube platform so that we can get monetized fast. All right, you guys, if you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you, baby. Thank you for coming back. Now let's just get right into why we're here. Now, as you guys can see by that title, I want to be teaching you guys how I, Chomilight, create or post my own shorts to gain all those views. Now the thing is that I just recently applying this method in recent times, do you understand? And it has been working for me at least 90%. So I just decided that why not I just come tell you guys how I do this thing so that you guys can, you know, try it and let's see if it works. And if it worked for you, do not forget to let me know in my next video. All right, you guys, let's just get right into why we're here. I'll be sharing my screen with you guys and I'll show you guys step by step. All right, y'all. Go to your YouTube. I believe that you know where to click on to, you know, upload your short videos. I'm sorry I didn't show you from the beginning. Then you click on the particular video you want to upload in your shorts. Then you go and search for sound, a trending sound, because that's the way you can reach a wider audience, because at that point, that is the particular sound that people are searching for. So it helps you to push your video out more, because that is what is in vogue at that point in time. That's what is going viral. So I'm using Love on the Brain by Rihanna. And then when I click on that sound, the next thing I do is I'll click on that arrow so that it can fit into my video. Now, after that, the next thing you're going to see me do right now is I will try to adjust the sound to fit into where exactly I want it to start in my video. All right, just as you can see here, just click on that particular part. They said change sound, and then you adjust the sound to fit into where you want it to be. Then you reduce the volume, because I don't want the volume from my original sounds to affect the actual sound of music that I'm using. So I reduce it so that it's only that sound that can be playing. Then I click on next. So the next thing I want to do is my thumbnail. Don't forget that this thumbnail cannot be done after you have hit upload. You actually have to fix in your thumbnail before you hit upload. So after doing my thumbnail, next thing is to write a catchy title. You see, I changed it twice because people will be like, okay, why are you lying? Like, they want to know, okay, who is lying, right? So that's a very catchy title. Then I put in all my hashtags, and you see all my hashtags are centered on office humor, corporate humor, because that's actually what the video is actually talking about. Now the next thing I will always do is to schedule my videos. You know, a lot of people only schedule their long form videos, but me, I started scheduling my short form videos so that way I can give you some time to read what that video is about, what that short video is about, and actually push it to the right audience. So this is what I do differently. And also this alter content, I always make sure that I click on no right before I make sure I hit upload short. So these are the two things I do on my short videos. It's just been 2 days and I already have over 2,000 subscribers and ranking 1/10, also 3 subscribers. All right, you guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. Do not forget that this is just a method that I tried, so let's just see if it might work for you. All right, so what I'm doing is to try out some new stuffs, and if it works for me, I bring it to you guys. So please let me know in my next video if it actually worked for you. Even if those videos come, like it enters like 500 and something views, 600 and something views, come on, that's good. That's a good start. I mean, from someone that wasn't even getting up to 100 views before in their shorts, and you start getting 500 views using this method, getting 600 views, then, you know, up to 1,000 views, that is a good start. So, you know, pat yourself, because very soon the algorithm will keep picking you up and, you know, start showing your videos out more there. All right, you guys, stay positive, stay blessed, and never stressed. And also do not forget to let me know what other kind of videos you guys want me to post for you. Anything, any clarifications, just let me know. And also I got some feedback on my previous video regards when I taught you guys about why your watch hours keep decreasing. At least I got like 2 comments, under that post, stating that yes, they've actually notice that their watch hours are decreasing. So all I'll just advise you guys is that apply those steps that I told you in that video, and you will see that your watch hours will pick up back from where it stopped. Bye y'all.